Okay. And next coming to the topic is 4-bit parallel adder. Generally we are adding the 4 bits. Let example A equal to A is considered 5 value and B is taken 3. These are the decimal value. We convert the binary form, that is 0101 and 3 is 0011. These are the 4 bits. We add the 4 bits binary. 1 plus 1 carry 1 sum 0, 0 plus 1 1 and 1 plus 1 carry 1 sum 0. And next 1 plus 1 carry 1 sum 0 and 1 plus 0 1. Okay, this is a mathematically I will explain you. And next 4-bit parallel adder circuit. Okay, and next we are taking the 5, A is 5 and B is 3. This is the binary addition. Okay, now I am taking A0 bit is 1 and A1 is 0, A2 is 1, A3 is 0 and next B0 is 1, B1 is 1, B2 is 0, B3 is 0. Okay, here this is normally this is seen is ground connection, that is 0. 1 plus 1 carry 1 sum 0. This carry out is connected with second stage of full adder. C in 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1 carry 1 sum 0. Okay, next this carry out is connected with third stage of full adder, that is C in is 1, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1 carry 1 sum 0. Okay, this carry out is connected here. And next 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1, this is connected with fourth stage of full adder. C 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 sum is 1, carry is 0. Okay, what you got? 1 triple 0. What is the decimal number? That is 8. Normally in BCD addition 5 plus 3 is 8. Okay, this is the explanation of 4-bit parallel adder circuit. Next coming to the topic is 4-bit parallel subtractor circuit. Here I am taking the A value is 5 and B value is 3. Then convert 5 binary number is 0101 and next 3 is 0011. Here we are operating the subtraction operation. Okay, when we subtract the two binary numbers, the minute one is converts the 2's complement. Okay, here B value is 3, their binary number is 0011. This binary number converts the 2's complement. What is 2's complement? 1's complement plus 1. Here 1's complement means zeros are converted to 1, ones are converted to 0. We convert the first 1's complement 1100. Then add plus 1 to the LHB bit 1101. This is B bit. This is adding to the A. Here A binary number is 0101 and next B binary number is 1101. Then add these two bits, 1 plus 1 carry 1 sum 0 and next 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1 carry 1 sum 0, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1 carry 1 sum 0. Okay, this decimal number is 2. Normally 5 minus 3 is 2. Is it clear? Okay, next we operate the 4-bit parallel subtractor circuit. Okay, 4-bit subtractor circuit. Here also we are taking the 4 full adders, but B bit is considered NOT gate. In mathematical operation, B bit is considered 2's complement form. That's why here I am taking the NOT gate. Here this is A0, A1, A2, A3. Okay, A0 bit is 1, A1 is 0, A2 is 1, A3 is 0. And B0 is, this is B0, B1, B2, B3. And B0 bit is 1, B1 bit is 1, B2 bit is 0, B3 is also 0. Here we are using the NOT gate. And what is the NOT gate operation? Inverse of the input. Here 1 is connected with NOT gate. Output is 0. Here also 1 is input to the NOT gate and output is 0. And here 0 is input to the NOT gate and output is 1. And here 0 is input to the NOT gate, output is 1. Okay, here A0 is 1, A1 is 0, A2 is 1 and A3 is 0. Normally we perform the binary operation. 0 plus 0. In this 4-bit parallel subtractor circuit, the Cin is taken 1. Okay, here 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 carry 1, sum 0. Okay, and next 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, sum 1, carry 0. Okay, next the carry out is taken to this third stage of full adder. Okay, here 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1, carry 1, sum 0. Okay, this carry out is connected with second stage of full adder. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, sum is 1, carry is 0. This carry out is connected here. 1 plus 1, carry 1, sum 0. Carry 1, sum 0. And this carry out is here. This is connected with fourth stage of full adder. 1 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 1, carry 1, sum 0. Here, carry is there, that is ignore it. And what is the binary number? S3, S2, S1, S0, that is 0, 0, 1, 0. This is decimal number is 2. We are taking the 5 minus 3, that is 2. Okay, this is explanation of the 4-bit parallel subtractor circuit.